Hi guys, it's Pete from MyJewelryBunch.com. We're going to do a little PSA today about setting your watch time and changing it because this is daylight savings time today. So I wanted to show you the proper way of changing your watch, whether it's quartz watch or it's mechanical, so that you don't do any damage to it. Let's get started. Okay guys, so I just want to talk to you a little bit about why it's important that you should never set the date and time of your watch between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. And the reason being is that you can actually cause damage to the mechanism underneath the dial that controls the articulation of the day and date, or just the date if you have a watch with only a date. And this goes for both quartz watches and automatic watches or mechanical watches. The reason being is that during that particular time, and some watches will set it a little early, some a little later than midnight, you want to be careful because the articulation of the movement itself is actually controlling the day-date function. So if you find the midnight position of your watch, now I'm going to turn this and we're going to see if it changes it when we get to 12 o'clock. And it did not change. That means we're at the noon position. If I keep going, I'm going to go all the way around, and you'll see that we start to change now. That means we're at the midnight position. This would be the worst time to pull the stem out to the first click and try to set the day and date. What you want to do is make sure that you go all the way past 2 p.m. or 2 a.m. And I'm just going to go over to 4, 5 maybe. And now the proper way to set this would be to set it, now that I know it's 5 a.m., I'm going to set this for today, which is Saturday. And we're going to go to the 7th. And now it's Saturday, so I'm just going to move this until we get to Saturday. I'll pull the time or the stem out to the second click, and I'm going to move forward to whatever the time is. I believe it's a little after 3. It's about 10 after 3 p.m. So I'm going to set that right there, push that in, turn the crown, and that's the proper way to set your time. You never want to change the day date on a watch between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. Again, because you could cause damage to the mechanism inside that changes the day and the date automatically. Just keep that in mind, since today is daylight savings time. No matter what you do, change your time either first thing in the morning when you wake up tomorrow morning or sometime before 10 p.m. tonight. That way, you know, when we go forward tonight, being spring, you've got it set before the mechanism in your watch will change the day date. And that way, you know your watch is not going to have any problems. I hope you guys follow this instruction and everything's good. Have a good daylight savings time tonight. You were going to lose an hour, so that's kind of a bad thing. But hey, if you do these procedures and you follow them the right way, I won't see you Monday or Tuesday when your watch doesn't work right. Take care, have a good day, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. I'm almost up to 2,000 subscribers. I always like to get a few more. And take care.